Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremy from Outpost Vans. We're here today with a brand new 144 that we're going to take a look at and show you guys some of the features. This build is based on our Vector layout. It's a very popular 144 layout that we offer. This one is a Ride 4 Sleep 2, and you'll see all the features, and let's jump inside. All right, first thing you can see here is the galley that goes into the slider area. It has the drop-down table. We call this the happy hour table. This is all amber bamboo, so really popular finish. Shows really nice and really durable. We really like it, customers like it. We use it quite a bit. Next thing you'll see here as I jump inside is the flip-up countertop extension. Great way to extend your prep working area from your galley. On this side we have a single burner induction, and then we also have a nice stainless steel sink with the workstation. We have the drinking water faucet from Guzzle right here, so this gives you UV and carbon, so it's dual filtered. And then with the fill kit that we give you to fill up the van, that also has a filter, so it's almost like 3-stage if you think about it. You got the filter at the fill, carbon and UV right here, so really nice high quality drinking water inside the van. Another awesome feature, I'm going to bring this down right here. Like I mentioned, this is a Ride 4 in this configuration. We also do this layout if it's just 2 people, and this one has the fold down seat from Friedman. If you're only riding 2, we replace this with a couch area, and you can also do an additional drawer bank right here if you want some more storage. So this drops down really easy. You release this, you've got the backrest release right here, and then you've got your armrest to ride 2 additional people. This also has the car seat hooks. You can adjust it back a little bit, get some more comfort right there. Car seat hook, so it is car seat compliant, FMVSS certified. So what that means is safe and secure. And it goes back up just as easy as it goes down. Boom, right there. We have our overhead storage on this side. We have a large control panel on this forward position in the cabinet. We've got some overhead lighting on a dimmer. We have patio lights from Rigid. We've got a Starlink Mini right here. Boom, we've got mobile internet right inside the van just by hitting that nice button right there. Gray water release. We've got our gray and fresh capacity, and then all of our electronics right here. So this one is set up with an S-Bar diesel heater with high altitude. We've got 4-gallon water heater, and this is on our timer switch, and it is pre-wired for a future AC. Customer didn't want to add it right now, but we did pre-wire for it, so he's going to use it for a little while and see if that's something he wants to add in the future. It has more than enough battery capacity with 600 plus amp hours, 3,000 watt inverter. It also charges as it drives with the 50 amp DC to DC, so really robust setup on this one, and enough power for future needs for this customer. We've got fixed bed right here in the back with flares, so really large sleeping space. Mattress from Roam Rest. We have another bank of cabinets up on the passenger side right here. So yeah, if you get close, really nice finish with the bamboo. Came out really nice. Again, this is a 144 all-wheel drive based on our Vector layout. Really popular layout that we do. We have an option, like I said, for a couch if it's just 2. We also have a Murphy bed option based off this same layout as well, if you want more counter space, and really opens up the back area. But yeah, check us out, outpostvans.com, and give us a comment and a